Hey everyone, welcome back to I am Akshay. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove or hide the taskbar in Windows 11. So first step is to right click on the taskbar empty space. Just right click over there and you can select taskbar settings. Once the taskbar settings is open, on the bottom you can see taskbar behaviors. You just need to select that, and while you select you can see automatically hide the taskbar. It was unchecked for me. You just need to check it. Once it is checked, you can close it. Then you need to just refresh the page on the or click on somewhere, and finally it will be done. The taskbar is gone. So if you liked this video, if it helped you, drop a like and hit the subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching. I am Akshay. See you in next video.